What's up, guys? It's Dylan from Florida and I'm back here with another video. Today I am going to show you guys something I don't usually do anymore, but it's still kind of outdoors. So today I'm going to show you guys how to use the Pokeball Plus and show you guys the Pokeball Plus in action. Before we get into this, first, for anybody who has just downloaded Pokemon Go and was looking for a video tutorial on it, this video will also be that and about this. For anybody who thinks this is like how to hack on Pokemon Go, no. I have tried numerous methods and that does not work. I have done it before, but I always get ban warnings, so I suggest to not do that. So, before I dive into this, I'm just going to say that this was pre-owned. I got it at a GameStop. And what the cool thing is, usually with some of these, is the guy said that if I didn't like it or it didn't work, I could return it to any GameStop in the U.S. So if you're like on a trip and you buy it and you come back and it's not working, all of a sudden you could return it back in your home state. So this is going to be a tutorial on how to turn it on, tell you what all the lights mean and everything. And alright, so what you're going to want to do is go into settings. If you go down to the bottom, Pokeball Plus, if you press that top button, you will see Pokeball Plus. I'll press that and connect it to Pokeball Plus. Now, I do not know how to connect it to another device. After you've connected it, you should see it has a little green in the middle on it. And there's no Pokemon in my area right now. So I am going to kind of walk around a little bit and so you guys can see it. There is a Pokestop down here for where I am. I could probably walk down there and show you guys the Pokestop. But here, so it'll light up green if you can see that. You will press the top button to get it. It'll flash white 3 times. And then it will flash rainbow colors if you catch it. Now, if you don't catch it, it might be like 2 white and then it will turn to red. And then that means that you did not catch it. And if it turns red immediately, you're either out of storage or you are out of Pokeballs. Now, as I found out before I started this video, when I was testing it out, I found out that this is not compatible with Great Balls or Ultra Balls, just normal Pokeballs. So now I'm going to start taking a walk around so you guys can see. So yeah, let's go. And as long as your Pokeball Plus is connected to Bluetooth, you do not need to use your iPhone at all. And especially if you are say for an example, you're you're camping and the Pokestop, and there's a Pokestop for the entrance. So a lot of times, if people are doing that, they'll just go on their phones and get the Pokestop. Well, you'll see with the Pokestop on it here what it does. Alright, so, and I will also say it will light up yellow if it's a Pokemon you have not caught. So, it's green. There is another one, and let's see. So there's another Pokemon in range. I might not get this one, I'm not sure. And I'm gotten lucky so far. Another Pokemon in range. One. I've got another one, and also, there's 2 of them. And that don't mean that I did not catch it.
What did it do?
When it flashes red like that, that means you did not catch it. And when it flashes blue, that means you got. When it flashes blue, just press the top button. There's a Pokestop. So this is something else you'll probably see at Pokestops a lot. The team Go Rocket, this was updated in a couple of updates ago, I think. So there's another Pokemon. And I've got another one. Alright, there's another one. And so it'll flash green when there's a Pokemon. You just press the red button on top. If it'll flash white 3 times, and it'll flash a bunch of rainbow colors. And if you don't catch it, might flash white, and then it'll flash just red, not multicolored. And if you don't need your smartphone, I'm just using my phone, so and here it is. A lot of times, so it'll flash blue like that, and you don't even have to press it. It just does it for you. It'll just flash blue. You don't even have to press anything. It just flashes blue. So as you can see, I got it already. And if you have notifications turned on, it'll notify you. Like if you don't have your phone on in the app, it'll just notify you that you caught whatever you catch. So the reason I like using my phone is because I can see what I caught, and just so I'm prepared for the Pokestops, or if there's like gems, I don't think it will notify you for gems. So that way, I really like to have my phone on me in case it's a gem or something. That way, I don't walk right past it. Alright, so you cannot use the Pokeball Plus to hatch an egg, but it will track your steps. So, as you guys can see, I'm hatching a 7-kilometer egg. Sorry about the lighting. That's not bad, A Pichu with the hell. Hold on, is it what I think it is? I'm trying to see if never mind, I thought it might be shiny, never mind. And so, the last thing is, I want to show you guys some of my best catches in a while for Pokemon. Guys, so here's my list of shinies. So all of these I have not caught recently. The Nidoran is what I caught today on the January 3rd. That was today, and I just got this today too. Another one that I got with this today, just a couple of catches later, I got a Cranny. Both of these I did not have. I found out I had these when I went into the Pokemon Go app, and when I caught this, I got excited because it flashes yellow when it's a Pokemon you don't have. So I was like, ooh! So I got excited when I saw I caught it. I went on to my phone. And the last thing to tell you guys is about the charging. So what you're going to want to do is, you cannot have it connected. All you're going to do to disconnect it is press that. You should have a little spin. Just wait. And then so all you're going to want to do is hold down the top red button, and then what will be the joystick for Let's Go Pikachu or Let's Go Eevee, and all you got to do is hold both of those down. So it'll flash red if it needs to go on charge bad, and if it's yellow, it's about halfway on charge, and if it's green, then it's probably almost fully charged about. And my research shows that it takes about 3 hours to fully charge this. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. am at Dylan from Florida. Bye, guys.